Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at an extremely affordable tactical flashlight from VONT called the Blaze, and it comes in a pack of 2. This flashlight runs on 3 AAA batteries, but it's also compatible with an 18650 battery, which increases the output. It's also extremely tough, affordable, and still delivers great performance, so if you're in the market for some new flashlights that won't break the bank, these are really great options to consider. First off, I want to thank VONT for sending these lights out to the channel for review. If you want to learn more about this light, you can find a link in the description below, which will also help support the channel. And you can also use the coupon code URBAN10S to get 10% off your order on Amazon. The Blaze comes with a nice protective sheath with a loop for running it through your belt or attaching it to a backpack, a holder for 3 AA batteries, which can power the light, and a tube which you need to use if you plan on running an 18650 battery. This is the Blaze. There's some ergonomic grooves on the side and some very fine knurling on the body for grip. There's a nice big orange rubber button on the tail, which you can use to turn the light on and off and cycle through the different output modes. There's also a loop on the end for attaching the included lanyard. This light has a crenulated bezel and an aspheric lens, which helps to provide an evenly distributed beam pattern. You can also adjust the focus of the beam by pulling up on the head. Pulling up will give you a spot pattern, which is best suited for long distance use, and pushing it back to the default position will give you a flood pattern, which is much wider and better suited for up close tasks. This light has 5 different output modes, and cycling through them is really easy. All you have to do is push the button and lightly press down to cycle through the modes, or you can turn on and off the light and it will go to the next mode. We're going to start off by taking a quick look at this light running an 18650 battery, and what we're looking at here is the default wide beam pattern, which I'm capturing on the wide angle setting on my camera. This setting is best for short to mid-range use if you want to illuminate a larger area. I'm going to pull the head up now, and the light has a spot focus, which has a much longer range and is best suited for spotting objects at a distance. Here's a quick shot comparing each of the different brightness modes of this light using an 18650 battery. Now I'm running 3 AAAs in this light instead of the 18650, and as you can see, it's still a very capable light, slightly dimmer but still plenty bright. This is a look at the Blaze on its lowest output setting running AAAs, so you can get an idea of how it might look like to use this light for up close tasks. Before everyone watching the video is blinded, I just wanted to give a quick heads up before I demonstrate the strobe. Alright, so now I've got the strobe turned on, and as you can see, the strobe is quick and bright, and it would be very effective for getting somebody's attention if needed. This light is IPX4 rated, so I wanted to do a quick submersion test to see how it holds up if it gets dropped in water. As you can see, the light works just fine underwater, and it still works when you pull it out. You shouldn't keep it submerged for too long, but there's nothing to worry about if it gets a little wet. Next, we're going to do a 2-meter drop test to see just how durable the light is. My lights are always getting dropped and bashed around, so having a light that can stand up to this is important. For the final test, we're going to push the build quality of this light to the limit. According to the product page, this light can withstand being run over by a full-size truck, so I'm going to test that as well with a quick run over from my Toyota 4Runner. Aside from a few small scratches, the light still functions just fine. Overall, this is a pretty interesting set of lights for a really good price. The performance of the Blaze is good for the price, and it did hold up really well to my durability tests. It's nice that you can switch between AAAs and 18650s, and having that kind of flexibility might come in handy in an emergency situation. Having a 2-pack is nice because you can keep lights in a few different places like inside your vehicle, backpack, or in a nightstand. VONT offers a lifetime warranty on this light because they're extremely confident in the build quality, and I think the durability tests prove just how well this product is made. Let me know what you think of the Blaze in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the Urban Survivor channel for more videos like this one.